Hi guys, good afternoon. Compliment of the season, by the way. It's been like a really long time. I had a chit chat with you guys. Let me tell you why. When I wanted to, few days ago, yeah, I was trying to film. The last time you guys saw me was the day I had like a mini date with Teddy, and then after then I was trying to film and guys, I broke my ring light's battery, and this one is the 6600 mAh. So this is like the big battery, that's why it usually lasts. But since I broke it, like, I decided not to film because I was really sad when I broke this. But I guess natural lighting would be like my favorite thing henceforth. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that day Teddy took me out. He gifted me something, yeah. Came in a bag, but the bag now I've repurposed it for my wigs. Like I put my wigs in it. I had to clean out my wigs. See how it is. Let me just show you guys again. I love it. When I mean I love it. Comes with a wristwatch, bracelets, earrings, necklace. Guys, I just love it. And then I just love that man, because somehow he knows how to like put the tiniest smile on my face. And then in my head I'm like, it's been a minute till you put smile on his face, so but how good do Sapa is on the doorstep, but God will provide. Okay, aside that, today is 21st and it's Bonfire night, and that day we went to Afro Festival. I was given a ticket. I and my friends were all given a ticket, so today would be the day we go for this. So you guys might come along with me as I go for this, or but I just wanted to let you guys know I'll be going for Bonfire night today. I just wanted to chit chat. And then aside this, I got some skin makeup products. If you remember my last shorts, or the shorts, I don't know if I've uploaded a new one by the time this video is up, but there's a short I uploaded where I talked about trashing your old makeup stuff that you've been using forever. Like, most of those things are expired, so why won't you throw them away? I had to get new makeup stuff, so I had to throw my powder, my foundation, etc., because of my acne. So this is what my makeup bag currently looks like. There are some other things here. Let me just show you the new products I added. The first thing I got is this lipstick. This is glassy or something, matte lip gloss. I got it. Then I got this classic lovely perfect primer, SPF 50 PA plus plus plus. I got this because of the SPF I saw here. Usually I use my sunscreen underneath my makeup, but then it makes me sweat, and I really wanted to see if there's another way I can still have like sunscreen on without, like, still have SPF on without the whole sweating things. So I'm going to be trying this out. This is a primer, but since they said it has SPF 50, I'll try it out today and know if like I love it. I was able to also get a concealer, but this one is for contour. I didn't see a lighter one, so I'm hoping this would work. Elegel Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. So I got this. And then what else? I got the Fit Me 230. This color 230, natural seamless finish. They said this one is really good for normal to oily skin, so that's why I had to buy it. So yeah, that's it. So these are the things I got, and I wanted to show you guys just to let you know that trash out your old stuff, renew them if you can, get some new essential stuff that would come in handy. I also need to get a new beauty blender, but for now these are the ones I have. I had to clean them out, wash all my makeup items. Like, guys, I had to make some desperate changes, like, just to help my skin get better, and I think I'm loving it. So yeah, it's the worry.
Do you even know love? Mama, eh, ah. Do you even know love? Mama, eh, ah.
Okay, hi guys, I'm ready for bonfire night. It's past 6, but I'm ready. Let me quickly show you. I think I will show you guys later what I'm wearing. I just had to convert my trouser into a bomb short, and then I'm wearing this tee, and then I'm wearing my canvas, and yeah, that's it. Nothing serious then this week. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get there. Hi. Hi.
Mr. Jailer, a one, a two, a three, go! Hey! I don't care, you have things to die, but you said go die too. Life is beautiful, don't you think so too, Mr. Jailer? I am talking to you, Jailer. Stop calling me up. I wanna be president. I want to jump money from my government. But oh yeah.
Yeah,